Alright, today's video, dead Econoline. A couple of months ago, I was driving around and then my van died out of nowhere. It started up again long enough for me to get off the road, and now I can't get it started. So I'm gonna get it diagnosed and fixed. It's my Econoline. I have to fix it. Full tank of gas too. It's $100 worth of gas right there. So what is your prediction of what's wrong with it? I have a feeling I know what it is. I even resetted the fuel pump circuit breaker and nothing. So what is your prediction? Yep, no start. Alright, hopefully this isn't too expensive. Okay, the date is October 18, 2017. My prediction, fuel pump, and this is going to cost me $700. That's my prediction.